Every drop of milk begins its journey at first light.
Technology extracts nature with precision.
From cow to system, untouched by hands. Speed matters. Milk must cool immediately. Stability preserves purity.
Every batch is checked before it moves.
Only approved milk continues forward.
Now the volume grows.
Transfer begins without exposure. Specialized transport keeps milk alive. Measured, sealed, and protected. Temperature and timing must never fail.
Sensors watch what humans cannot.
Verification protects the entire chain.